Ever wondered how to be can do more than just exist? Well, let me tell you, to be is not just a verb. It's a linking verb that connects the subject to additional information. For example, in she is a doctor is links she to doctor. But wait, there's more. To be also describes a state of being, like emotions, thoughts, or physical conditions. So when I say, I am happy, am describes my state of happiness. So next time you use to be, remember, it's not just existing. It's connecting and describing our very essence. I am the essence of existence, the very core of being. I am the CEO of my own life, navigating through the complexities of identity and purpose. Just like the book resting on the table, I am here, present in this moment, defining my location in the vast expanse of the universe. To be is not just a state of existence. It is a declaration of who I am and where I stand. Embracing my identity and acknowledging my place, I am a living testament to the power of to be. Time. It's more than just numbers on a clock. To be isn't just about existence. It's about schedules and deadlines. Like when we say, it is 5 o'clock. And let's not forget conditions and situations. The weather is sunny. And hey, ever heard of passive voice? The play was written by Shakespeare. So next time you use to be, remember, it's not just about being, it's about time, conditions, and even Shakespeare. I am constantly amazed by the versatility of the verb to be in English. Not only does it help us form progressive tenses like I am learning, but it also teams up with modal verbs to express possibilities like you could be right. And let's not forget its role in idiomatic expressions, such as I am on cloud nine. So, whether you're studying grammar, navigating modals, or diving into idioms, remember, to be is your trusty companion in the English language journey. Mastering the nuances of formal and informal language is crucial in communication. Take the verb to be, for instance. In formal settings, we say I am, while in informal situations, it's I'm. And let's not forget about tenses and aspects. From I am in present simple to I was in past simple and I have been in present perfect. Each form serves a specific purpose in conveying time and continuity. So, whether you're crafting a professional email or chatting with friends, understanding these variations in language can truly elevate your communication skills. Embrace the power of language and watch your words work wonders.